Ever wanted to see the raw source code behind a Wikipedia article but couldn't find it? Learn to view it in a few clicks, even on protected pages. First, you'll navigate to the article, then click the View Source tab. Scroll through the code and learn why you can't edit protected pages. Start by typing in the article you'd like to read, for example, Albert Einstein. Then just click on Albert Einstein to open up the page. Next, click on View Source to see the raw source of the article. Now scroll down a little and you'll find the source code laid out here. And here you go. You can now see the full source for this article. But don't expect to edit it, because this page is protected. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.